Okay.
Yes, sir.
Particle will oscillate about lowest position with what angular amplitude
Less than 9.
less than 90. Followed.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt.
Tell.
Sir, can particle oscillate with theta greater than 90 degree?
Only once it crosses, that is what we saw, no? See, if it is root 2 gel, it reach. More than that, the next one will come. What is that?
It will break off.
Yes, it will be. Yesterday we have found that what happens if the velocity between these two. See, greater than till root 5 gl, from root 5 gl it will go up. Otherwise, what will happen? Between root 3 gl, this particle, because it is more than root 2 gl, it will go up here, till here. It will cross this. Okay. So, here somewhere particle will,
Break off.
because centripetal force will be absent.
Yes, sir. Yes. So sometimes if we try to oscillate like that, it will this the string will become slack and it will again come down and continue this motion also. Continue oscillating also.
Pardon, tell me.
So sometimes when if we are taking a pendulum and trying this thing, sometimes it will go more than 90 degrees also.
Yes.
Then also it will not break off now, so string will not break
That
off.
means the string is having more breaking string, it will fall down. Now the situation it is left the circular motion or not? Again it is starting. See, after it falls down, why it is falling? Because the string has become slack. That means tension becomes zero.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am
Understood.
saying once it starts a circular motion,
Oh,
okay. See, for example, Olympic marathon, they say they ran 100 kilometers or something. I will also run in 10 years 100 kilometers. They'll give that prize to me or what?
no, no, sir.
Then it once it starts in a circular path, for completing the circle, what is the condition? For oscillating, what is the condition? This. For leaving the circle.
Oh, yes, sir.
Again it falls down. That means once that change is there, next it anything may happen.
Mm. Yes, sir. Circular motion stopped. That means
Hmm.
only. Yes, sir.
Yes. Completing the circular path. Oscillate means the particle still is in circular path in all these situations. It starts leaving the path here. Understood this?
Understood, sir. Understood, sir. Great.
Main problem is we have wrong inputs from childhood. We all know movie hall is nothing but a wall or a white cloth screen on which some images are projected. But still we feel and believe that and people go for that. So
Yes,
all these wrong things that entered our mind. So that's why physics learning has become a problem. It has created an atmosphere of illusion in our minds. Whereas the science is reality, no?
yes, sir. Science is reality.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Things
Hmm.
won't work the way we observe, okay?
Yes, sir.
So God's creation is a wonderful creation.
Yes, sir.
There are many things that try to protect our body within our body only. For example, suppose small cut occurs. You can see after immediately blood comes, after some time it will be clot.
Yes, sir.
That means there's something going on. Some things are there within the body. They try to protect ourselves. That's why correct inputs always gives the right things for our body.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
See,
Completed.
this is the case with a particle connected with a string. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this? All this?
Completed, sir.
This is a summary of what we learned yesterday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, right. So here we can apply the same condition. If a particle moves,
Yes, sir.
understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
So here also the same situation. The normal reaction. As you see, this is a condition for looping the loop, no?
Yes, sir. Looping the loop.
what will happen? Here normal reaction will vanish. V is not zero. Agreed.
Yes, sir. Particle faster.
So here what happens? See, this particle leaves the circular path and again fall here. May. Or it may fall anywhere.
Yes,
Followed
sir.
this or not?
Forward, sir. Forward.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this? Condition for
Condition for looping the loop.
oscillation. Hopeless fellows.
For oscillation.
The same thing what you learnt. Okay.
The same thing we understand.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, can you move the plate a little upwards, sir?
Pardon?
Can you move the plate a little upwards, sir? Because this downward part we are not able to see, sir. Down part. Sir, excuse me, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Can you please move the page a little bit upward, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Shall I turn this?
It's completed.
Completed?
Yes, sir, completed.
You suppose they'll be asking some questions on this. So for example, motion of ball see here is the vertical diameter. Now you are just giving some velocity here. Okay, you are hitting it. Understood it? So the radius of this is some r. Now frame the equations here. Normal reaction will be in which direction?
Downwards, sir. Sorry, sir. Upwards, sir. Upwards, sir. Sorry.
Be careful with that. This is the
Yes,
touching. So this is the normal reaction mg. Now Fr equals MAR. It is nothing but mg minus n equals mv square by r. Agree?
yes.
Now
If n equal to 0.
velocity is imparted to it at topmost point. If what will happen? Normal reaction is less than zero, no?
Yes, sir. Normal reaction does not exist.
So we make understood this or not? Clear?
Understood, sir. Clear, sir.
You're clear or not?
Yes, sir.
That means if particle will not leave, no?
Particle will not leave.
Agreed?
If normal reaction does not exist, then only no, sir, particle will leave.
Pardon?
Sir, particle
This is
will.
condition for leaving. Not leaving, I'm writing here.
Ah, Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
See,
Understood.
this is the condition for leaving.
Yes, sir. Greater than GR. It is less than GR. Yes, sir.
So V is greater than this.
Particle leaves. At highest point. Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
See, suppose if velocity at the highest point,
Root GR. Not at highest point.
hmm,
Sir, um, it loses contact at some other points other than highest point.
follow till here.
Yes, sir.
Say, instead of leaving here, it may leave here.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So
Understood.
some theta. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
So it is V greater than root G or no? So the
So
particle
greater than
definitely
0.
is.
Sir, greater than
Greater than root GR.
No, less
Yes,
than
man, less than GR, it will not leave
Sir,
at
there,
high,
left side.
not to leave at highest point.
understood, sir. Understood.
It won't leave at highest point, but somewhere it has to leave, no?
Yes, sir. It has to be.
So
But after moving certain distance, I wrote correctly only.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
If it is greater than that, I wrote here, understand this, at the highest point itself, it won't move any distance on this.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is less than that, it moves some distance and it will lose. At some point, definitely it has to lose, no? It cannot move like this over the sphere, no? Is it possible the sphere to come like this? Because it is, you are not giving any other, there is no other force to bring it up, no?
Yes, sir. No other force needs to be false.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
1 minute, sir.
So here, this this distance h, you'll find this h. Can you tell what is that h? See, this is r. This distance is r cos theta. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Agree, sir.
Yes,
So, what is h?
So R minus R cos
R
theta.
minus R cos theta.
R into 1 minus cos theta.
Agreed. Now,
Agreed.
suppose any value you should give now. Suppose here we are giving velocity is 0. Here it has a velocity v. If you take this potential energy here will be 0. Sorry, potential energy will be, because this is the reference line I am taking.
Yes, sir. Will be 0.
So kinetic energy is also 0. Here can you tell what you have? Potential energy
So, you,
mg minus h. Remember, because it is coming down now.
yes, sir. Mg minus R into 1 minus cos theta. Yes.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Agree, sir.
And what is the kinetic energy?
Kinetic energy half mg square.
Now u1 plus k1,
A2 plus U2.
substitute this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
After substituting, substitute the value of, so what is that you will get? Do it.
Yes, sir.
So what you got? V square. Any doubt is that till here?
Sir, one doubt.
Till.
Sir, you said in that statement, na, sir, if V at its highest point is less than root GR, na, sir.
Hmm.
But we said that if V is greater than root GR, it will leave the point. It will leave the sphere, na, sir.
See, people are still in sleepy mood. Huh? It will lose the point at the highest point itself. Read that fully. Then
Yes,
particle
sir. Yes.
definitely loses contact, but after moving certain distance. This doubt already one boy asked. Now explain. Just now. Again you're asking the same doubt.
Yes, sir. Understand.
I wrote here very clearly. See,
Yes, sir.
synchronize your mind, man, point to point. You are learning in isolation. One statement is connected with other.
Yes.
Till here you followed?
Followed, sir. Followed.
Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Now here, this is mg, this is theta,
Yes.
mg cos theta, normal reaction. Now apply Fr equals mv
MAR.
square by r. What is Fr?
Sir.
mg cos theta minus n equals, when particle leaves n equals 0 now.
Yes, sir. Particle leaves the sphere.
Now what you have? mg cos theta equals m by r. What is v square?
Sir, MG square by R, no?
Okay,
So,
find out cos theta. How much you are getting? You will get 2 by 3. That means it leaves at an angle theta equals cos inverse 2 by 3. If, again I am saying, here what you have taken velocity?
velocity is
0. He may give any other value, don't mug up this. If velocity is 0, then this is true. Suppose if he gives some other value,
some other value we get.
how much you are getting? See,
Yes, sir. Do it.
understood the method?
Understood the method, sir.
Dots are 2 by 3.
Hmm. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, suppose if the highest point, shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
So we can say that at what point it will give. So, if agreed,
Great, sir.
clear? You know, arc by radius is what?
Arc by radius is
Angle, no?
angle. Yes, sir. In radians.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now, with the same knowledge, try to do where it will leave. Shall I do or will you try?
One minute.
Same method, no?
Same method. Sir.
Completed?
Doing, sir. Doing.
Sir, sir,
Tell.
can you please once again show that last previous page?
Completed?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Completed.
Shall I turn this?
Yes,
1
sir.
minute.
How much you got?
Doing, sir.
Fast, man.
Yes.
So V square equal to 7 by 6 GR.
No.
Sir,
Tell.
in the last question I am getting cos theta value as 1 by 3, sir.
No, no, 2 by 3 only.
2 by 3 only, sir.
No, it is a standard value.
Yes, sir.
How much you got, man? Shall I do?
Sir, I am also doing, sir.
Cost it equals 3 by 4 you should get. Completed.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Sir, I am getting cos inverse 9 by 40.
Sir, cos is
Ah,
equal to 5 by 6.
Cos inverse 9 by 40.
no, no, no. 9 by 40, yeah.
Yes, sir. Some mistake maybe.
No, no.
5 by 6.
30 by 3 by 4 you should get.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll try once more afterwards, sir. You can turn the page.
See, you try this, you'll be getting the same method. Okay?
The
Yes, sir.
Not
conservation
only
of energy method only, no, sir. U1 plus K1 is equal to.
same thing what you have done earlier. See, simply here, everything is same, no? Except this equation will change.
Kinetic energy will be different for
Right,
at
Here
this
sir.
point.
Q1 is
K1
0.
is not equal to
K1 is
0.
equal to 1 by 8 mgr.
Okay. Here you have, what is H you got? 1 minus cos theta, no?
R into 1 minus 1.
Sir,
This
GR
1
by
minus
10
1.
minus constant.
Sir, this K1
K1
is
is 1 half mg r by 4.
this is correct
Sir,
na?
GR by 4 na sir.
Huh?
Assembly GR by 4. That K1
Here.
can I
K1,
take it? K1 sir,
K1,
K1.
K1.
GR by
GR
4
by
na sir.
4.
K1 na?
Rm V.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir,
GR by
yes,
GR
sir.
by 4.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
This is the only thing difference you have, no?
Yes, sir. This I got, sir, but answering it.
No, man.
Sorry, sir. 3 by 4 only, sir. Sorry.
You do it. Rest all is same, no? What is the problem you have?
Yes, sir, 3 by 4.
After that, you'll use this equation. No, you should not do mistakes, man. So it costs your career.
Yes, sir.
Because out of fear, you are doing mistakes. Can I do this? You'll get shocked even if you get one problem also, no? That is the problem. Okay, this v square value, substitute here. You will get cos theta equals 3 by
3
4.
by
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Take another problem.
Sir,
Hello? Tell.
Yes sir.
I'm getting different answer only, sir. This 9 by 8 is not going, sir.
You got?
9 by 20, sir. 9 by 20. Cos inverse 9 by
3 by
20.
4.
No, the cos inverse 3 by 4 you'll get.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I will.
Anybody got?
Sir, I got.
Right. No, if one person got means everybody should get.
Okay, sir.
Right. Note down this method. We'll go ahead with next problem. Shall I turn the page?
Yes, sir. Sir, I also got that same answer, sir. Cos inverse 3 by 4.
See, same method when conservation
Yes.
FR equals MAR. If you know this, is enough. See, this is, it is projected.
Yes.
This is the speed of the particle v. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is mg. So that can be resolved now.
Yes, sir. We can resolve. Sir.
This is theta, this is. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree.
Now we have to use conservation of energy to get the velocity. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this is h and this is r. Okay, and what is this? Can you tell?
Yes, sir. R minus
L
R
cos
cos
theta.
L cos
T,
theta.
the T cos
L
R.
minus
theta, no?
cos theta.
This is
Yes,
L
sir. Yes,
man.
sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Agree, sir.
Again, here you have, if you take this as the reference level, apply
Yes, sir.
U1 0, K1 half, same process, and this is U2 positive, this is Mg, H is nothing but K2 is half mv square. Then you have U1 plus K1 equals U2 plus K2. Okay, this is 0 plus half m ZL U2 MGL into 1 minus cos theta plus half mv square. Till here, any doubt is there?
No, no, no.
Also, again, you have also FR equals MA. T is given as how much?
Uh, equal to weight of
T is
particle.
equal to spring weight of particle.
Okay. So here mg minus mg cos theta is mv square by r. Okay. So you have V square equals R. This V square you substitute here. That's all. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
This is nothing but LG only, no? R is nothing but L, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you substitute this directly, you will be getting cos theta. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Because this LG will get cancelled throughout all three terms. MGL. MGL is getting cancelled means you will get only cos theta value. Finished?
Yeah, 1 minute, sir.
Sir, cos theta equal to 1.
One na? Two by three you should get, see? Anybody?
Doing, sir. Doing.
Sir, cos theta equal to 2 by 3.
Two by three you should get.
Yes, sir, 2 by 3.
Follow this?
Followed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. See, you will be getting here cos theta equals 2 by 3, no?
Yes, sir.
He is asking,
Yes, sir.
find the inclination is asking.
Yes, sir. Cos inverse 2 by 3.
So this is the inclination, cos inverse 2 by 3. And also he is asking inclination as well as what? Speed. So how to get speed? Substitute here.
So, V times GS.
Cos theta is 2 by 3, no? So how much you will get? Understood this?
Understood, sir.
What difficulty you have, man? To these all child's game. Nothing is there in this. I don't know why you are feeling physics difficult. Simple conservation principle, FR equals MAR, that's all. Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Right. Take a screenshot. We can try if you did not get. Any problem you are not getting, just take a screenshot. Because we cannot waste more time. Time is running clean. Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Took the screenshot.
Yes, sir. Take it.
Now next. The Sunday exam, you will be giving the same thing. For that, you need speed. For speed, you should do the assignment. For doing the assignment, you should have that commitment. If you develop allergy towards physics, you will be developing an allergy towards engineering subjects. You will have allergic to job. Then your family becomes allergic to you. You're doing the assignments, man.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Successfully finished at least one assignment.
No, sir. I didn't.
Work for energy.
Yes, sir.
Which one, Narayana?
Chaitanya,
Hmm?
Chaitanya, sir. This Agash, sir.
Finish fully, all. Sure.
No, start, sir. First one, sir. First one.
It's first year, strengthen your physics skills. Second year will be easy for you. If you're weak here, second year will be having lot of pressure to learn. Because that syllabus itself is on horrible, 40 chapters are there. See, understood? Usually,
Yes, sir.
where
Yes,
will the string is becoming slack means what is happening? Can you tell?
theta is greater than 90 degree.
That is, right. That identification you should have. That means it is crossing this horizontal position. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Here the string becomes slack. This leaves here and it follows a parabolic path and passes through this. What is a
Sir,
this is a point of suspension now.
yes, sir.
It leaves here and passes this is a new path of that. That means it is no more in circular motion. Understood this?
Understood,
So
sir.
this is V naught we have given. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Agree, sir. Agree.
Right. Now we can do this. See, first let us get this at what angle it moves. It gets this. Suppose this is theta. This is theta. Do you agree with this?
Because
sir.
Can you tell this is h?
yes, sir. It's
Is how much?
R plus R, L plus L cos theta. Yes.
Yeah,
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. L sin theta.
yeah, sine theta. You're just giving you a recorded version.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Sorry, sir.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
sir.
I'm taking this as the reference. Okay, you can choose reference anywhere.
Sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir.
What is this? mg cos 90 minus theta. Because this is theta, no?
Nice. 90 minutes.
What is that we are doing the same thing, no? Because the string becomes slack, no?
Yes, sir. String becomes slack. Tension equal to 0.
Till here, any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
So therefore, what you have, v square, you will get it as, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir.
Tell.
mg sin beta minus t now, sir.
Pardon?
This centripetal force.
Hmm.
Sir, mg sin beta plus t now, sir.
Which one this is?
Yes, sir. Because mg cos 90 minus theta. And plus t now, sir.
Cardinal, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Still we cannot get theta. Why? Because
Why? We didn't take conservation.
no, we should get the number. What is he's asking? This is not known. This is not known. So we don't know theta and v naught. We need one more equation now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We need.
See, do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir. Agree.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm turning this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, follow this.
Okay. Following, sir.
This particle after this the velocity of this with this, how much you got? This is theta, no?
Theta, sir. 90 minus theta. Sir. Below that theta.
Understood till here? It
Yes, sir.
passes like this, it seems.
Yes, sir. Parabolic trajectory.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
So this is nothing but
Parabolic trajectory in an inclination.
now if you take this as 0, 0, if you take this as origin,
Yes, sir.
okay, then and this as the x-axis and this as the y-axis. What are the coordinates of this? Can you tell? X-axis.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Y-axis.
This is theta, man. This is L. What is this? X is equal to.
L cos theta, L sin theta, comma L sin.
Okay. Y equals how much?
L sin.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
The same plane, no?
Same plane, sir. Same plane.
Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Agree, sir.
So here you can see what is the angle of projection.
Sir, angle of projection is theta. Yes, sir. 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Yes, sir.
So you can see that what is the trajectory equation you have?
Y is equal to A. Sorry, sir.
Tan theta.
It's tan theta minus A. Sorry, sir.
G
Gx
x
square by
square by.
G
Okay.
square. Sorry, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Agree.
Am I right or not?
You're right, sir. You're right.
Substitute these values.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
If you substitute this L sin theta equals L cos theta tan x square 2u square sin square theta. Okay. If you simplify this, see, L will go 3 out now.
Yes, sir.
This is cot theta. Cot theta means what you will have? Cos theta by sin theta minus, understood this or not?
Understood, sir. Minus G by 2u square. Yes. G by
What
2
is the velocity here?
V, sir. V by cos square theta by
Sir, only one L will be there. GL cos theta.
You have GL sin theta.
no, sorry, given for you.
See, you will get here V square.
Sir, that is previous question.
V square. This is only one same question. Yes.
Yes, sir.
How much you got? GL sin
Sir,
theta.
in the numerator, only one L will be there. GL cos square theta.
Yes,
Sir,
Pardon?
sir.
one L is cancelled with.
GL square cos theta.
Sir, GL
Sir,
square cos
only
square theta will not be there.
Okay.
Only one.
Understood this. Now finally this will also get cancelled. G will also cancel. You can see totally an equation in theta now.
sir, what you wrote is correct only, no, sir. GL square cos square theta.
No, no, one L will get cancelled here.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay, you do it carefully. You will get sin theta value. Okay, once you get the sin theta value, you have this now. This is all advanced level.
Yes, sir.
So you get 2GL. Why I'm saying is, don't get worried over here. But so much like this, if you do 5 to 6 questions, you'll get an 8.
Yes, sir. We'll try, sir.
Substitute this here. V naught square you'll get. Substitute this value of sin theta here. So V naught finally you'll get this. Understood the method?
Understood the method, sir. Understood.
Now take a screenshot and complete it because you have other classes now.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there you can ask. And see that now after you finish this class, have your breakfast, you have 5 to 10 minutes, complete this, then attend the other class. But don't again refer for tomorrow I will do it. That tomorrow will never come.
Yes, sir. Only today, sir.
Because this week we have to complete work for another.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Right.
Sir, can you please show the previous page?
All of you have taken the screenshot of this.
Taken, sir. Taken.
Taken, sir.
So take the screenshot of this. 1 second. You have taken?
Taken, sir.
This one also, if you want whole page also you can take. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
It will continue later.
closer.